Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. I just loaded up some tools, some small little stuff, man. I'm about to go. I got a call from a friend. Her car won't start. It's weird. Listen, people. She said her key won't work. She think her key lost its calibration, so now it won't start the car. Let me tell you something, man. Keys, these electronic skim keys that Chrysler use, they don't lose their calibration per se. They don't lose their programming. In other words, you can't turn it back on. They don't lose the programming, and there's a way you can turn the programming back on because it lost its programming. No, it don't work like that, man. When a key fail to, transpond to give out the signal to allow cranking, it's gone. It's dead. Now, you don't even know. How do you even know unless you got now some 2007 models? I know this for a fact because I was working on the girl's Pacifica. It would say key fob or key bad. It would tell you that in the cluster. Now, unless you got that, you pretty much got a bad key or shorted out key. I don't like the word bad. You got a shorted out key. But for the most part, just because you stick your car key in the ignition and turn it and nothing happened doesn't mean your key is bad. There's a lot of reason that will cause no crank. That's called a no crank. When you get in your car, turn it, nothing happens. I mean, no click, no nothing. Don't confuse a click with a no crank, because technically it's trying to crank. It tried to crank based off, the click that you heard. So don't confuse the two. When you tell somebody your car won't crank, that means absolutely nothing. You turn the key, you don't hear nothing. If you hear a click, that is not described as it doesn't crank. Because again, technically it's trying to crank. That's when you got to look at your starter and stuff like that. You might have a solenoid going bad. But there's nothing I can do tonight. I just really going to give her a peace of mind. Basically, I don't even have my scan tool, man. The Chrysler tool that we use, it's real small and it plugs into your data link connector. I have no way. So basically, I'm just going to go assure her that there's nothing I can do until the next business day, which is Monday. But I just decided to fire this camera up and let y'all know, if your car won't crank, that doesn't mean your key is bad. That means you need to get your car diagnosed for a no crank situation. And you will be surprised to find out what the reasons are as to why you're not cranking. Okay, it's not always the key. All right, keep this video short, man. Thanks for watching. You know the drill. Comment, subscribe. So let me go check on my friend, and I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching.